Alright, this video is just a brief one to show you how to change the IP address on the BioBlender system, the local IP. So first I want to point out that the run switch has to be off. If I try to go while it's active, it'll say the run switch needs to be off to get into setup, because you can't do setup at the same time that it's blending. So turn it to local off, then I just press this, I don't know, 8 to 10 times. Now I'm in the setup menu. 1 and 4 will scroll up and down for my choices. Go to network setup, hit yes. There I can see it's currently set for static. I want to keep being in static, but if I want to change the address, I just scroll down to IP, hit yes, and now I can enter whatever number I want it to be. Yes is a decimal point. So there I'm putting in 192.85.56.2, save it. There you go. Now when I've made all my changes, if I hit the no key, it'll say, do you want to save changes to your network? Yes, I do. Now it's changed it. I hit no again. I'm out to the run screen and I can put it back online. There you go. Any questions? Call this number right here.